So this is the first example on addition of complex numbers. Complex numbers are a combination of real numbers and imaginary numbers. And what we're going to add here is the complex number 3 plus I and the complex number 4 minus 6i. So each of these complex numbers is a real part and an imaginary part. Okay, so there's nothing in front of this parenthesis, so just remove those parentheses. There's just a plus in front of these parentheses, so we remove these and don't change anything. Okay, and then very simply, we treat the I almost as if it was a variable like x. We just add like terms, so add the real parts. So 3 and 4 is 7, so we're going to add the 3 and the 4. Plus 4, 3 plus 4 is going to be 7. And then we can add the imaginary parts, so plus 1i minus 6i. So plus 1 and minus 6 is minus 5i. Okay, so that's your answer. That's all there is to it. Add the real parts, add the imaginary parts.